Hello friends, I have received multiple demands from our colleagues in past few days to discuss the issues under PCPNDT Act where uniformity in implementation is lacking. As we all know, PCPNDT Act has created havoc amongst our fraternity members. The main reason behind this is not the act itself, but the main reason is because there are so many loopholes in the act itself. There are differences of interpretation of the act by different appropriate authorities. Different appropriate authorities implement the act haphazardly. And last but not least, the divergent judgments given by different courts have created fear amongst our fraternity members. So definitely there is a need to discuss all these things. We all know that PCPNDT Act is a central act, and central act is to be implemented all over India in a similar way. But in case of PCPNDT Act, in different states, it is implemented differently by different appropriate authorities. Even in a single state, there is no uniformity amongst the appropriate authorities in different districts. And somewhere, even in a single district, if there are more than one of appropriate authority, they are implementing PCPNDT Act differently. So this is the reason why there is a havoc in the fraternity. One by one, in the series of this uniform implementation of PCPNDT Act, we will discuss all the issues where uniformity is lacking and what should be the exact interpretation by the appropriate authority. We will discuss one by one in this series of our web meetings. Thank you. Thank you very much. Dear friends, in this series of uniform implementation of PCPNDT Act, today we are going to discuss that whether you can deny the treatment to the patient if patient has not come with the ID proof or Aadhaar card under PCPNDT Act for doing sonography or giving the treatment. Dear friends, we know that in many states, particularly in northern part, in Punjab, in Delhi and other states, Haryana, appropriate authorities have issued their own guideline that ID proof is compulsory, and they are creating problems for the doctor. The reason we will discuss today, but what is the reason? Now coming to the point regarding PCPNDT Act, there is no provision for taking ID proof of a patient. Second thing, the right to health is a fundamental right of every individual, and there cannot be any formality for getting right to health. So if suppose patient has come, forgotten the ID proof at home, you can never deny doing sonography of that patient under any act. So right to health is a fundamental right, and you cannot deny that right of an individual. By the many of the decisions of Supreme Court, right to health is now being included in right to life. So right to life cannot be taken away, and it is a fundamental right. So dear friends, if suppose some patient does not carry the ID proof, and you can write in the case paper that patient has not carried ID proof, later that patient may submit, and you cannot deny the, not only in emergency, even in routine case, you cannot deny doing sonography if patient has not brought ID proof. Second thing, there is no provision in PCPNDT Act at all or rules at all to take ID proof. When there is no provision, And if they want to take, if appropriate authority want to take ID proof, then it should be gazetted. There should be an amendment in PCPNDT Act. When something is not there in PCPNDT Act or rules, we cannot be forced to follow that particular guidelines of appropriate authority. Under PCPNDT Act, the Act and the rules can only be amended by central government, and no other party has any authority to amend the Act. And in PCPNDT Act and rule, there is no provision for taking ID proof. Now, if you force doctor to ask for ID proof compulsorily, that amounts that you are amending on their own PCPNDT Act, and no appropriate authority has any right to issue. Appropriate authority is there to implement the Act. They cannot make their own rules under PCPNDT Act or rules. They are not allowed. So dear friends, let us clear in our mind, ID proof cannot be made compulsory under PCPNDT Act and rules. It is not there, the provision is not there. Second, you cannot deny, if patient has not brought ID proof, you cannot deny treatment to the patient. Suppose somebody has no ID proof, some illiterate person working on roads as a labor worker. Can you deny treatment to that person? No, you cannot deny. So, dear friends, it should be clear in our mind that right to health cannot be denied. Now, third thing, in many cases, it has been brought to the notice that appropriate authorities are harassing doctor under the excuse that the address which is written in the Form F does not match with the ID proof or does not match with the exact address of the patient. Now, dear friends, in one of the case, that patient came from Bengal and that patient produced Aadhaar card in Punjab. Sonography was done in Punjab. And in Punjab, when she gave the Aadhaar card, in that Aadhaar card, the address written was of Calcutta. Now, doctor wrote the address of Calcutta. An authority raised the issue, why you have written this Calcutta address and local address is not written. Local address is always not compulsory. Anybody can take any treatment anywhere in India. There is no such provision that you are supposed to write the local address. Always. It is not possible. Somebody may be staying in Dharamshala or hotel. So this is not an international patient where you are supposed to write the address of hotel or Dharamshala or local. So, dear friends, these are the things where appropriate authorities are inappropriately interpreting the Act in their own way, and they haphazardly implement PCPNDT Act. And there is need for uniform implementation. There is a need to clarify these things by the Union Government of India, that what should be the exact status. The same thing when an order was issued by the collector, one of the collector in Gujarat, in the Palanpur district, he issued an order that ID proof should be made compulsory. And when it was challenged in Gujarat High Court, he had to take back his own order, because the court said that there is no such provision in PCPNDT Act. How can you demand? And same thing is applicable in Punjab, Haryana and Delhi. And they are demanding ID proof. So dear friends, different states, different kind of implementation as I have mentioned, and there is need of uniform implementation of PCPNDT Act to avoid the fear in the mind of doctors. Act itself is not a fearful act. It is a very simple act, but the implementation, which is done haphazardly, the interpretation, which is not uniformly done by different appropriate authorities, and even the judgments which have come from different courts have created fear in the mind of doctors. So thank you very much.